I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop videos from playing automatically in your Google Photos timeline. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 2. Tap your Google profile icon on this screen to open a menu, and then tap Photo Settings in this menu. If you're using an Apple device, this may say Google Photos Settings. Step 3. Tap Preferences in the list of options. Step 4. Tap Photo Grid Playback. Step 5. Tap to toggle off videos. And if you want to go a step further, you can also toggle off motion photos. Videos and motion photos will no longer automatically play when you're scrolling through your Google Photos timeline on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.